Now if we take a trip down to memory lane, in 1966, when Volvo car has first established its presence in Malaysia, the demand and popularity of Volvo cars locally led to the establishment of the Volvo car manufacturing Malaysia in 1967, which is now the country's oldest and longest running vehicle assembly plant in the country. And now fast forward to today, Volvo Car Malaysia has built a network of 11 dealerships and 14 showrooms across the world, the country. And today, there is going to be more, ladies and gentlemen, as Volvo Car Malaysia has gone the extra mile, and now we are at the third and the largest Volvo certified damage repair center. To come over the stage to share us a few words, let's give a big round of applause to welcome Mr. Dan.
Good day to all. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the launch of Volvo Certified Damage Repair Center. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Charles Ram, the Managing Directors of Volvo Car Malaysia, and also everyone in this hall for allocating time from their busy schedule to attend this ceremony. We understand that accidents are unfortunate events that can cause a lot of stress and inconvenience to our customers. That's why we are committed to providing them with the best possible repair services that restore their vehicles to original condition. We have trained our technicians to the highest level of expertise and equipped them with the latest tools, and equipment to ensure that every repair is done right the first time. We are confident that this program will not only benefit our customers, but also our repair center. We believe this program will strengthen our customer trust in the Volvo brand and our commitment to their safety and satisfaction. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to working with our repair center partners to deliver exceptional repair services to our customers. Kamsia. Terima kasih. Sisi. Nandri. Arigato.
All right, thank you, Mr. Tan, for the wonderful speech. So please take your seats. So next on, it will be my pleasure to invite the Managing Director of Volvo Car Malaysia, Charles Frum, to also share his thoughts as well. Let us give him a big round of applause. Let's have Charles on stage.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. There we go. It's and I wonder why are we here, right? We're here because even with the safest cars in the world, even with all of our technologies to avoid accidents, still accidents happen. This is the technology that we're bringing is absolutely the very best in the industry. And you can be absolutely sure when you bring your vehicle to a Volvo certified damage repair facility, it will be returned as good as new. And that's something that I think is a very big challenge today, but is finally a reality. So to make it happen, I first and foremost want to thank IROL EPO for opening this tremendous facility. This is the third and largest of our facilities in Malaysia. Fantastic. I'm looking forward to having all of you get a chance to see what this service facility offers. And then in the sad event that you do come across an issue with your vehicle and have an accident, that you have the real confidence to know that we can bring it back. So thank you very much. I wish you a very good day. And come here when accidents happen. Please come here. All right. Thank you.
All right, have to stay touch wood for that. Thank you, Charles. Please remain on stage as we are going to kickstart, the main highlight of the day, which is the ribbon cutting ceremony. 3, 2, 1.